Turning back now to weather, it was a great day out there. The rest of the weekend supposed to be just as nice, but Robert, apparently it's not going to last long. So what's coming our way and when?
Well, quite a bit of rainfall is coming our way, Paul, and it is coming in about 36 hours or so. We'll take you outside to Fayetteville right now. Nice and peaceful in the Fayetteville area. 68 degrees at Drake Field today, 2 degrees above your average, which is 66. Warm day in 2012, rising up to 84 degrees. Fort Smith's all lit up on this Saturday evening, where you were also 2 degrees above average, climbing to 73. But man, that's a frosty morning in 1962. Probably a killing freeze there. Unfortunately, you don't want that killing freeze this time in April. The temperatures right now still on the mild side, except Drake Field has dipped down into the upper 40s, but that is the exception to the rule. Everybody else is in the lower to mid 50s. River Valley about the same thing, except Worcester. They're the outcasts. Worcester and Poteau each checking in with temperatures at 49. Now, tonight will be a very, very peaceful night. We've got an area of high pressure that has parked itself over the region. It'll keep skies clear and our winds are light, but this high pressure quickly going to skedaddle its way off toward the east. But starting out tomorrow morning, we'll still see clear skies, but clouds will be on the increase as we go through your Sunday. But the precipitation and the rainfall will really hold off until very, very late, if not in the overnight hours, Sunday and into Monday. And you can see as this frontal passage works its way through, it's going to stall. And as that front stalls, a lot of rain is going to ride along that front. We're going to see what's called training of the storms. And you can see quite a bit of rainfall. Could be some embedded thunderstorms in there, a couple of rumbles of thunder, but really more concerned about the heavy rain risk. General thunderstorm chances for most of northwest Arkansas and the River Valley. You get into the Ouachitas and you're a slight risk. So an isolated storm, you got to get all the way down into the Red River Valley near Texarkana for that slight risk where you could see scattered severe thunderstorms. So we'll try to keep that slight risk to our south. But everybody looks to see at least 1 to 2 inches of needed rain, and they really need it out in this area where they're dealing with severe to extreme drought. So that's some needed rainfall. We are watching for the possibility of excessive rainfall, just a marginal risk, which is about a 5% chance. But again, the further south you work your way, those chances increase. Lows tonight, seasonable, no complaints, mostly lower to mid 40s. And then tomorrow we'll rebound back up into the lower to mid 70s. Here's a look at the extended forecast with plenty of rain as we get into your Monday. And then there's a couple of leftover sprinkles for your Tuesday. A stronger cold front is going to come through midweek. It's going to do two things. Really cool us down below average by about 10 degrees. And the winds are really, really going to pick up out of the northwest, especially Thursday and Friday. It is going to be a gusty, blustery day out there. River Valley about the same thing. Watching for those rain and a couple of thunderstorms Monday. And then we cool down as we get toward the end of next week. Stay with us. We are going to check the world of sports right after a word from our sponsors.